2024's smartphone spectacle, iPhone 16, Google Pixel 9, and beyond the smartphone industry is buzzing with activity this year with the unveiling of Samsung's Galaxy S24 series, the OnePlus 12 and 12R, and Oppo's Find X7 Ultra. Yet the tech giants Apple, Samsung, and Google are not done surprising us, with a plethora of new releases anticipated for 2024. Samsung is known for its August reveal of new foldable phones, while Apple's annual iPhone event is a September staple. Google isn't far behind with its Pixel releases in October. One common thread tying these launches together is the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, a trend already evident in the Galaxy S24 series and last year's Pixel 8 series. The year 2023 marked a significant milestone for generative AI, with the success of ChatGPT. The real test, however, lies in 2024, as we evaluate the practicality of these AI-powered features, especially in smartphones. In addition to AI advancements, we anticipate continuous enhancements in camera technology and processors from companies like Apple, Samsung, and Google. Here's a sneak peek into the most awaited smartphones of 2024 from the industry's leading players. This list, based on previous launch patterns, will be updated as new information surfaces. Apple iPhone 16 lineup. Apple's annual September iPhone launch is expected to continue this year. The iPhone 16 models are rumored to feature upgraded microphones for enhanced Siri performance, as reported by analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. This aligns with Apple's reported focus on ramping up the iPhone's AI capabilities. The iPhone 16 series is also expected to house a new A18 chip, with the Pro models featuring an A18 Pro Bionic version. The regular iPhone 16 Pro might sport a tetraprism telephoto lens, similar to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, potentially offering a 5x telephoto zoom. iPhone SE 4, Apple's next economical iPhone, might undergo a significant transformation, as per reports from MacRumors and analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. The upcoming iPhone SE might feature a 6.1-inch screen, a considerable upgrade from the current 4.7-inch display. Modern features like Face ID, the Action button, and USB-C charging are also expected to be part of the next iPhone SE. The iPhone SE's launch pattern is less predictable than Apple's standard iPhones, with the first model released in 2016, the second in 2020, and the third in 2022. This pattern leads to speculation that the next iteration could be unveiled in 2024. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. If Samsung sticks to its usual schedule, we can anticipate the Galaxy Z Fold 6 unveiling around August. It's likely to feature Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and Galaxy AI, similar to the Galaxy S24 lineup. Samsung typically introduces minor design enhancements with each Z Fold iteration. A Samsung patent has sparked rumors that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might include an S Pen slot for the first time, simplifying stylus storage and accessibility. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 doesn't include an S Pen, so the introduction of a dedicated slot in the Z Fold 6 could change this. However, as this is merely a patent, it's uncertain whether this reflects Samsung's actual plans for future Galaxy Z Fold devices. More intriguing is the prospect of Samsung releasing a more affordable version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, as reported by Korean news site The Elec. If the rumors about a more affordable Galaxy Z Fold 6 and an S Pen slot prove accurate, Samsung could be addressing some of the most significant criticisms of the Z Fold with its upcoming model. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, the Galaxy Z Flip 5, marked a significant improvement over the Z Flip 4, thanks to its larger cover screen, enabling device usage without opening it. Consequently, we might not see dramatic design changes in the Galaxy Z Flip 6, expected to debut around August, if Samsung sticks to its usual schedule. However, we do anticipate it inheriting some of the Galaxy S24's features, such as the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and Galaxy AI features. Like the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung might customize Galaxy AI features specifically for the Z Flip 6. Google Pixel 9 and 9 Pro. Given what we've seen with the Pixel 8 series and Galaxy S24 lineup, it's safe to assume we'll see even more new AI-powered features on the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro. Google introduced its AI model Gemini late last year, which powers features like conversation summaries in the Recorder app on the Pixel 8 Pro. This model also powers some of the new Galaxy AI features on the Galaxy S24 lineup. It's plausible that Google will expand on this by adding more AI-driven capabilities to its upcoming Pixels. Otherwise, we can anticipate standard enhancements such as a new Tensor processor and camera upgrades. Ross Young, CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants, suggests that the new phones will feature larger screens than the Pixel 8 series. However, a more recent report from Steve Hemmerstoffer and MySmartPrice indicates that the Pro model will have a smaller 6.5-inch display. The Pixel 9 Pro might also sport a refreshed design with flat edges, reminiscent of the iPhone. Google Pixel 8a. Google's more affordable Pixel phone is likely to share many features with the Pixel 8, assuming Google continues the trend set by the Pixel 7a and Pixel 6a. This means it could house the same Tensor G3 processor as the Pixel 8 and bear a strikingly similar design. Renders from Steve Hemmerstoffer, published by SmartPri, suggest the Pixel 8a will closely resemble the Pixel 8. Google's A-series phones typically differ from its standard Pixel phones in terms of camera and screen sizes, so we might see this trend continue in 2024. Google has unveiled its A-series phones at its Google I/O conference in May for the past 2 years. Xiaomi 14 series. Xiaomi unveiled its new flagship phones at the end of October, boasting that they're the first to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. A global release is rumored to be announced at the Mobile World Congress Tech Convention in Barcelona, starting on February 26th, according to leaker Yogesh Brar. However, Xiaomi typically doesn't release its phones in the US. The Xiaomi 14 offers some display and camera improvements over its predecessor, with a screen capable of reaching 3000 nits of peak brightness and a camera sensor that captures 180% more light than the Xiaomi 13. The regular Xiaomi 14 supports 90-watt fast charging, while the Pro model supports 120 watts. Both phones run on Xiaomi's new HyperOS software, designed to power mobile devices, cars, and smart home devices. Based on the rumors, reports, and announcements so far, this year's phones should strike a balance between new AI features and updates to existing staples like charging speeds. While AI still needs to prove its worth in phones, the prospect of software features that genuinely bring something new and useful to phones is invigorating.